Hey you guys, and welcome back. We have been to Five Below and we got some pretty fun things to show you, so stick around. Hey you guys, and welcome back, and a huge welcome to those of you that may be new here. I am Deena and you have landed on DeeVine Deals. This is the channel where I show you all the good buys that I find around town, sometimes some couponing hauls, just kind of depends on what may be happening any given week, but right here is where you're going to find all those bargains. So if you like to find good items at a great value, then I hope that you'll consider subscribing and join the family and stay around a little while. But come on, let's get into today's haul. It's not a huge haul from Five Below this time, just a few items, but some very fun items that I'm going to be demonstrating for you guys. You guys will remember that the last time I did a Five Below haul on this channel, I bought all that workout equipment. You remember that? Yes, and it is showcased for you over on DeeVine Health. I did a little lookbook to show you how all of those fitness clothes look whenever you get them on. And I got to tell you, I've been using them now for a little while and I love them. You guys have seen them in some of the workout videos over there on DeeVine Health, and a lot of you have commented on them as well. So if you get a chance, I did see some of them still in the store tonight. They're still there, and for only $5 a piece, it's definitely a great deal. But these items tonight I'm also going to be showcasing for you, but again, it's going to be over there on DeeVine Health because just about all of it is workout related. So if you're looking for some stuff to help you get in shape on this transformation journey we're all on together, then these may be some items that you want. But first up, take a look at what I found that's not workout related. I know you can't see it. Let's get it out of here. Most of you will recognize that little package though, because it's very similar to the bath bomb packages that we're finding at the Dollar Tree. This one was $3, so not quite as good of a value, but look. Can you guys see those adorable little lips? Hopefully you guys can see they are very glittery and very shiny, and you know what? I don't think that I'm going to be using these as a bath bomb. They're just too pretty. So when I open it up and take a little whiff, hopefully it might be a good way to deodorize my office. Yeah, that's the plan, but super adorable. They had all kinds in there of fun little shapes that not quite at Dollar Tree yet, so to me it was worth the extra money. Next, I did pick up one of the weighted jump ropes, you guys. Yes, because trying to work out and get fit. If you've been watching over there on DeeVine Health, then you know that we did pick up some of the Jillian Michaels workout DVDs from Dollar Tree recently. A lot of you guys got those as well, and one of the little exercises she has on there is some jumping in place. So that gave me the idea that, you know what? Some jump rope activity might just be good for some cardio. We're going to take it back old school to our childhood days and jump some ropes. So I did get one that is weighted that's supposed to help with stability, and we're going to check it out for just $5. Next up, I picked up this fun little gadget here. This is called the Thigh Toner. How many of you guys remember the Thigh Master back in the day? Yeah, you remember that? I had one, got rid of it, and now it's kind of an in thing again. This one is the Thigh Toner, and it works the very same way. Not sure if you can see it on the picture there or not, but you put this between your knees and you squeeze. You can also do some bicep curls with it as well, adding a little bit of resistance. But very good when you're just sitting there watching television, watching a good movie, or even at your desk at work. You can use this right up underneath the desk while you're sitting there working during the day and give those inner thighs a workout. $5. Found this fun little dice right here, yeah, and hopefully we're going to be able to do a challenge over on DeeVine Health with the Bubster. Maybe I can rope him back into doing some exercise with me. What you do is you roll this on the floor just like a regular dice, and whatever it lands on is the activity you have to do. It says like 15 push-up, 15 calf raises, 15 butt kicks, 1-minute jump rope. That right there is really what solidified me buying the jump rope tonight. And of course, water break. I kind of hope that I roll that one. But at any rate, this is going to be a fun challenge, and we can't wait to do that for you over there on that channel, and I believe he has agreed to do it. So I'm going to rope him in and get him active on there, so you guys can be looking for that pretty soon. Next up, for just $5, pick me up a Booty Max. Yeah, this is an As Seen on TV product. It's called the Booty Max, and it's got 7 different exercises that you can use. Let's see if I can show you down here, it does have a little pedestal that you're supposed to step on and use for balancing, and then it has one of the little elastic bands that you can cuff around your ankle, and then you can do some pulls with your arms, with your hamstrings, just all kinds of stuff. So this is, like I said, an as seen on TV item. So I'm going to be demonstrating it for you over there on that other channel and let you know if it's really worth picking it up for just $5. I mean, just $5. To be sure, it's got to be worth that much, but I don't know. Sometimes you get this stuff and it's not worth anything. So you guys could be watching over there. So we'll be demonstrating, or I will at least be demonstrating to you all of these little gadgets on that channel. And hopefully, like I said, we'll be able to get the Bubster in there too for some of the challenges, especially with this fun little dice. I think that would be very fun. So if you're not yet subscribed over there, then you're gonna wanna be, yes, because we do some real fun things for you over there. Yeah, we sure do. And anyway, that's the end of my haul tonight. It's just about all fitness besides these cute little lips. Yeah, but Five Below is a great place to go and to shop. Hopefully you guys have one near you. If not, and you're on a vacation, then trust me, I think it's a store that you might want to pop into just to see some of the things they have. I want to thank you all so very much for watching. And until next time, get out there and get you some DeeVine deals. I'll see you soon.